Hi, my name is Arthur. I'm the coordinator here at Anjos Sertao farm. We are located in Brazil at the state of Piauí, and we are doing this restoration project with the help of agroforestry systems and beekeeping, both from stingless bees and also apis bees, that is the bees that we know as European or African, that they have sting. So here you can see an old agroforest we did. We are trying to restore the caatinga because the caatinga has suffered a long time with the action of man, a lot, taking out the wood and hunting animals. So now we are restoring the land and regenerating it with this consortium of agroforestry and beekeeping. And we are also spreading this knowledge to the local communities so they can also work in their lands, and we restore the whole biome, which is very important for being unique in the world and also for being a protection to the Amazon forest. So here we have a new agroforestry system, and there we have an old one. We just planted this with the help of many volunteers this January, and that one is 2 or 3 years old.